एक बुक 500 की, एक बुक 700 की। बुक्स पढ़ने का शौक कुछ ज़्यादा ही महंगा पड़ रहा है। But what if I tell you there is a way that you can read unlimited books without burning a hole in your pocket? Yes. So, welcome back, book lovers. This is Surbi, and today I'm going to talk about an app that lets you rent book instead of buying them, like it is Netflix just for bookworms. I just love this app, and this app is called The Classic Pages by Daily Hawker. It is an amazing app. It is available on Play Store and App Store. So I have put down the links in the description. You can check it out. But before you can download it, I'll just let you go through it and I'll tell you the benefits as well. Click the link in the description and you'll be redirected to Play Store. There you can install the app. I have already installed it, so I just clicked open, and this page is the interface of Classic Pages. So there you can see rent and buy option. So there is a section for to be read. You can put down books here as well. You can search using the author section. You can search your favorite author and click on the books that you want to either rent or buy. Click on that, click on rent now, and you will be redirected to this cart page. Here you can see there is a rental fees of 50 rupees, refundable deposit of 370 rupees, and GST, which will be refunded to you once you return the book in a period of 1 month or maximum of 4 months. And refundable amount varies from book to book. So on the home page, you can click on the see all, and you can see all the books that you can rent and all the books that you can buy. You can see all the prices, and you can select one of the books, whichever books you like. You can click on that and click on just buy now, and you can rent any kind of book there, Hindi, English. You can either rent it or you can buy it, whatever you want, and the books are available at a quite cheap price, and these are all original books. Also in this app you can choose book from any language, from English, Hindi to any regional language, which is just amazing. Also, there is an option to play daily quiz and win free book. Yes, you can win free books by answering correct question. Also, you can click on the community tab and you can share your opinions, or you can interact with other bibliophiles, so which is just amazing. Now they offer three rental subscription plan, where first is Bibliophile Bundle, where you can get 24 books for 18 months at a rental fee of 999 and a refundable deposit of 1000 rupees. So the total you need to pay is 1999, and you can keep the books for 18 months and you'll get 24 books, which is just amazing. Last, we have regular plan, where you can rent one book for 50 rupees or 10%, whichever is higher, and you can return it in 1 month or a maximum period of 4 months. Also need to pay refundable amount of the book, and you can enjoy the book for 1 month. सो इस ऐप में आप कोई भी बुक रेंट कर सकते हो, इंग्लिश, हिंदी, रीजनल, एनी रीजनल बुक, एवरीथिंग इज अवेलेबल। बस आपको एक मिनिमल चार्ज लगेगी, लाइक 50 रुपीज़ और 10% ऑफ द बुक प्राइस, विच एवर इज हायर, आपको वो चार्ज लगेगा, एंड यू हैव टू पे दैट अलॉन्ग विद द रिफंडेबल अमाउंट। सपोज आप का बुक 300 रुपए का है, राइट, एंड यू हैव टू पे 50 रुपीज़ रेंट चार्ज and the refundable amount of 300 rupees, so the total bill will be 350 rupees. आप जब बुक वापस करोगे इस लाइब्रेरी को, then they will refund your amount to the Classic Pages wallet, which you can withdraw later to your bank account, which is quite simple and effective. So either you can use that money to rent another books, or you can use withdraw that money to your bank account, which is quite simple, and which is a thing that I quite liked. So I have done my purchase, and I would also tell you to do it. And you can also buy books here, like books at a minimal price, and they are giving original books. like हम सबको लगता है कि मीशो, फ्लिपकार्ट, amazon पे तो जनरली हमें ओरिजिनल बुक्स ही मिलते हैं, बट फ्लिपकार्ट और मीशो पे मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम पायरेटेड बुक्स होते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर ऑफरिंग एट अ वेरी चीप प्राइस. आई नो एज अ रीडर वी वांट टू रीड मोर बुक्स एट अ चीपर प्राइस, बट पायरेसी को सपोर्ट करना, आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई विल डू. आई विल not support piracy at any cost, because it affects author as well. What I liked about this app, that you don't have just order the books, they will pick, like deliver the books to your doorstep, and after a month you can just return it and they will pick it up from your doorstep, and you can buy another book. That it's that simple. And you can buy books as well. There is a community where you can interact with other book lovers, and this is kind of new app, so you can explore as well. So I truly love this app. If you love traveling और हर जगह आप अपने बुक शेल्फ को नहीं ले जा सकते और हमेशा आप नए बुक्स नहीं ले सकते, so you can use this classic pages book app, and there you can get your books, you can return it and enjoy and travel and enjoy your life as well. So I think this app is just amazing, and you can just click the link in the description and you'll be directed to the Play Store. So if you just want to read books rather than collect books, if you want to collect book, then I would tell you to buy the books. They have the option to buy as well. And if you really want to just read and enhance your knowledge, just grab some books, then this app is amazing. Just rent at a minimal charge, like a fraction of books. Even if the book is 500 rupees, you just have to pay 50 rupees only, and rest will be refunded to your account. So which is just amazing. So yeah, that was it for the video. I would tell you to just check this app out by yourself, explore and see if it works for you or not. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share this with fellow book lovers, and if you are new here, subscribe to my channel, because you can enjoy book contents like these and you can live into our bookish imaginary world. So yeah, until next time, just keep reading, keep exploring. Happy reading. Bye bye.